हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं लेकर के आया हूँ एचआर में जॉब ओपनिंग्स एचआर एग्जीक्यूटिव पोजीशन के लिए। Abdos Oils Pvt Limited is looking for a dynamic HR executive to join its team at the Howrah Factory. Position: HR executive. Location: gate number 1, Jalan complex, Howrah, West Bengal. Experience 1 से 3 साल. Salary range 15 से 20,000 per month. Key responsibilities: recruitment and onboarding, attendance and leave management, employee documentation and record keeping, HR operation and statutory compliance support, employee engagement and grievance handling, general HR and administrative activities. Preferred profile: good communication and interpersonal skills, proficiency in MS Office, Word, Excel and Outlook. Local candidate from Howrah और कोलकाता will be preferred. अगर आप इस जॉब के लिए इंटरेस्टेड हो तो इस पे अपना रिज्यूमे भेज के अप्लाई कर सकते हैं avinash.nigam@abdosoils.com. Thank you.